This is a quick video about sponsorship deals that you can get for your YouTube channels. Now, obviously, it depends on the niche that you're in, but you can find people who are willing to pay you to promote a product or a website or an app or whatever within your videos. Now, kind of a caution, like I'm just gonna let you know I don't do sponsorship deals for one reason and one reason only, and that's because it will affect your average view duration. So as soon as you start promoting anything in your video, whether it's like a 10-second ad, 5-second ad, 20-second ad, whatever it is, there is a good chance that people will actually click off the video. Now, think about it. Viewers are already dealing with so many in-stream ads from your actual ad revenue that you're getting. So like when they have to deal with the actual, not an in-stream ad, but an actual ad within the video that they're watching, that's based off what the creator of the video is doing, aka you, they're not gonna like that. They're gonna want to leave. Obviously, some people will stick around and some people will actually buy the product, but a lot of people won't, and a lot of people will leave. That's why personally I don't do it, because I think average view duration is the most one of the two most important factors of growing your channel and getting promoted by YouTube's suggestive system. So if you're going to sacrifice your average view duration with brand deals, you're going to miss out on having that video promoted and potentially rocketing. I hope that makes sense. But anyways, if you do decide you want to get some promotions, there's a website called Social Blue Book. This is one of many websites that does this. I've never checked it out in depth, but I just know that this is possible. So go on this website or even do a quick Google search on like find sponsorship deals or brand deals and whatnot, or brand deals for influencers, and you'll find a few different websites that will be able to offer you very similar things as Social Blue Book. So, go out there, do it with your own risk, use it wisely, and don't abuse it, because you can actually lose. Your channel can definitely start dropping a lot if you promote too much. But yeah, that's about it.